well today? Yeah, all good? Okay, so what's the story for today? The story is as follows. We're going to add receptacles. Okay, we've added the lightings, we've added the switches, we've added three-way switches. Okay, so now what's the story? We're going to add the receptacle. That's actually the socket we call it. Different terminologies. Anyway, so we go to the system tab. We're interested in the lighting stuff. So listen, I tell you one thing. Why don't we bring him down? So make it easy for us, right? I just dragged it down. Okay. It goes to the devices. We are looking for this guy, electrical fixtures. It's a preview here. Click this. Standard duplex. Yes. Generally, we'd like to have 4 of them. Okay. So we keep adding them. Okay. To each room we add, and then maybe also. So this is the first part. Okay, you can do it for the rest of the rooms. It's not a big film here. Okay, and now what you need to do is, okay, just one more thing here. We can't just keep placing the receptacles. Okay, they have to be you can't keep them at the ground floor. You just can't stick them down, and the person who's plugging it will have cursed them. And there are some standards to be followed. So based on the standard, okay, each country is different. So, you place them how it suits your requirement. Anyway, another thing is in this whole large area, maybe your computer room, or, library probably, you generally keep some, because you can be having some computers on the ground. Okay, you want them to have sockets on the floor, so you just keep them in, you don't just keep them in random order, you keep them in, So what I would do is, listen, this is called a smartness. Sometimes brains, I would say. Let's say like this, okay, and you want them to be placed, this is called common sense, nothing to be something very proud of to do. Okay, I just delete everything. So if this is, you're fine with this size placement, just copy it, select the object, multiple, and then, if you want constraint would be good. Constraint is like ortho in our friend AutoCAD. Okay, so if this looks good for you, 3 of them maybe if you want. We can place 4. We place 1 more. Yellow. Discount offer. Okay. We can just keep this guy here. Okay. Maybe use a computer or something. I don't know. Okay. Just giving you some insights. Okay. I had a question last class. Maybe in the last class I had given what's his name? I had asked this question in the last class. The question was as follows. 1 minute. Okay. The question was as follows. I want these items, let's say receptacle or whatever, the sockets on the floor, to be, I just love to have colors on them. In the sense, stand out. You don't. I'm sorry. Everything black doesn't look good. Everything black doesn't look good. Yeah, it might not, be very professional. But I think for the eyes, you'd like to have it in a different color. Yep. So, this is the receptacle and this, I call it sockets. And, you're going to place it for the other rooms. My question was as follows. Okay, my question is as follows. Next thing, part series will be, next video will be connecting into the panel board. So the question is as follows. I want to have all the receptacles in a color, let's say orange or something like that. How do I do it? Okay, it's a simple story. How do you do it? Okay, simple story, like in the sense, in this view, I like it to be, say, orange in color. Everything black, it doesn't look good, I don't know, it doesn't look beautiful. Yeah, see everything, there's nothing standing out. When I'm in Power, I'd like to see my stuff in Power highlighted or having a different color. How do you do it? You can. There are different options. One, my students, gave me a hint that John, take a snap, and then highlight it. That's good, but it's childish. Anyway, one option is select the option and let's say select similar stuff. Select all instant visible in this view. This is what I wanted. There are some 24 of them. Good. Then right click, you can say override graphic by element. pattern, make it solid, give it a color, let's say red or I don't know, yellow, blue, cyan, whatever. Okay, apply. Okay, you can see